Hey everyone, today we are checking out the powerful VANPO Digital Torque Wrench set for your garage. This two-piece kit includes a precise quarter-inch drive for smaller tasks like bicycle repairs. You also get a heavy-duty half-inch drive that handles larger automotive and motorcycle projects easily. Both tools feature clear LED indicators and loud buzzers to prevent over-tightening your expensive bolts. You can easily save your favorite torque settings using the convenient built-in data storage system. These wrenches cover a wide range from 1.5 up to 200 Newton meters. Upgrade your toolbox with this professional electronic set to ensure perfect accuracy on every single job. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.